making money from Amazon affiliate with YouTube Short. Before we go there, this is one of my Warrior Plus account, and here is $75,398 passive affiliate commission. I'm sharing this with you for a reason, because the most important number in this whole screenshot is not this. The most important numbers are these hops. These are the click on our affiliate links by our visit or website traffic, or the real people who watched our contents like this video. But here is a good news: we don't use cameras and microphones. For our 20 plus other channels, we use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic, that allows you to make videos using image, text, links, bookmarks, notes, screenshots. With Epic, we don't need to write scripts. We just go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it here, use any of these buttons, and Epic AI rewrites the text for us, and that text is out. Then we take that text and go to the audio section, go to text to audio section and click the add button, put the text here, then one click, that text turns into natural sounding voiceover. So Epic users don't need to use their microphones or record their voiceover, but they can if they want. Epic users don't use camera because they don't have to, and Epic users don't write script because Epic writes the scripts for them using AI. Epic is free, link is in the description. And Epic makes bite-sized videos, so the video clips or sections can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. You can save your work, go out, come back later, add more sections, make your video as long as you want, and finally when you are ready with your video, just one click and your video is ready in the background. Then you will get a notification in your email when the video is ready. You can download that email and upload it anywhere you want, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and get all these visitors. So why these visitors click our links and buy from us and we make money? Because we make helpful content that people are looking to watch. These contents directly solve the problems of the audience, answer to their questions. Oh, by the way, Epic is free to start, link is in the description, go grab it. Back to why people click our links: we make helpful content, and that is the secret to success as an Amazon affiliate marketer as well. And this is what I'm about to share with you that literally no one else talks about. So let us begin, and before that, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, so not only you but everyone else learns how to make money online as an Amazon affiliate with YouTube Short. They will love you for sharing good information, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is the secret of making money online. We do this and hundreds of thousands of other people are doing this, and you can do it too. So start with liking this video and sharing this video with your social media contacts, especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. Done? Okay, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin. Make sure you stay till the end of the video. We're going to share 7 benefits of YouTube Short, and at the end of the video you will learn the 4 different experiences you will gather in the system I'm about to share with you, and 4 different ways you can make money from the exact system I'm about to share. So let me start with an example. I needed a new toilet brush, so I went on Amazon and searched for toilet brush, and I found this interesting product. This is a toilet brush, bathroom toilet brush, holder set, essential bathroom accessories, elegant soft silicone design for bathroom cleaning, drain cleaner, toilet brushes. I was actually more interested in this particular product for this particular feature. After using the toilet brush, it gets wet and the water drips. Next time when you take out your toilet brush, this dirty water will fall everywhere. To avoid this, they added an additional feature, a tray at the bottom, so you can take the tray out, remove the water, and the brush is always dry. Interestingly, this important feature, which is important to me, is not highlighted anywhere on the title. It's highlighted in the image, yes, but not on the title, which means people are not searching for this feature. It is mentioned as the 4th feature in the product description, which means the customers are not really searching for this problem, but a few customers like me are searching for this problem. So yes, now I know a lot about this product. I know what customers are searching. Customers are searching for soft silicone design. Customers are searching for an upgrade, non-slip silicone toilet brush. They're looking for concealed ventilation, but the water can evaporate from the upper and lower end. Customers are looking for 360-degree rubber brush head. Customers are more looking for deep clean cleaning. So these are the problems of the customers that the customers are looking for solution. Now, if I go to the customer reviews, yes, the rating is high, 4.4 out of 5, but none of them are talking about the extra drip tray that I was talking about. I am more interested in. Yes, if I buy it, I use it, I think I will first write about that drip tray feature, but nobody else is talking about, which means it's not so important feature. Yes, it is important, but it's not so important. So from the customers reviews, I also know what customers are looking for more. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because here comes the benefits of shorts. Shorts are only 1 minute long. You can shoot one short and publish it on YouTube and get views. Look at this, our views from all our contents, 37% of all views which generate this hop and make money are from shorts. So shorts and shorts feed are very, very important. The same shorts we are making for YouTube, we're also publishing on TikTok, and look at the number of views, hundreds of views, now thousands of views. And the same short videos we are publishing on YouTube and getting views. All these views are the hop that are generating commissions for us. These 1 minute videos are very easy to make, and here is the kicker. You can actually make videos from photos using Epic, of course. Link is in the description, it's free to start. And it's very easy to make, very fast to make. You can make 1 second long video, 10-second long video, but focus on the problems and the solutions of the customers. Do some research on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, what other channels are talking about, how they are offering solutions, natural solutions that address the problems of the customers. 1 minute easy video with photo and text with good information can drive you thousands of clicks and sales. And if you use Epic, there is no editing required. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes of your time to make a video. And once you research from the product features and customers' problems and solutions offered by other YouTubers, TikTokers, bloggers, experts, then you can make hundreds of videos for one topic. There are 60,000 results for toilet brush alone. There are hundreds of thousands of products on Amazon. You can easily become an expert on one topic and promote hundreds of products. Before you begin, here are 5 warnings for affiliate marketers. Amazon and these content platforms change their policies frequently. You should be aware of their current policies and changes. So whichever platform you're using, Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, know about their best practices, know about their policy changes, and know about their TOS or terms of service. And for that, there are 4 steps. Step number 1, have fun. Enjoy learning about the topic you want to go for. Watch videos, read blogs, and even watch more videos about how to make money on Amazon. Do research, look for products on Amazon for first couple of days. Don't rush. Take all your time to learn and get all the information you can possibly get. And yes, put all your information inside Epic in each section, in each program. Everything can turn into video. That's what we do. That's one of the shortcuts we use to make videos equals views equals traffic equals money. Go to Facebook and join the Amazon affiliate training and Amazon affiliate group. Join the bloggers group. Join vloggers group. Video marketers group. They keep talking about new styles, best practices, problems, solutions. Keep in touch with this group, but don't waste too much time on social media. Focus on having more fun, learning, taking notes using Epic. Epic is free, link in the description. And make contents as you go, as you have fun. By content, I mean short, 1 minute video. It can be 10 seconds video or 1 minute. And make sure to keep publishing them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Blogging is great. If you want to get approval from Amazon fast, you need a relevant blog. Now, don't worry about blogging if you don't know how to write or you hate blogging, because blogging is not as hard as it was in the past. Now you can use our software Maven. It's free to start, link is in the description. You can use other auto blogging softwares to build high quality blogs fast. In my opinion, Maven is the fast. It just takes one link and turn anyone's blog into your blog. So awesome. We use Maven all the time. You can do it too. It's free to start. Go grab Maven from the description. When you already publish content, your short, your blog, and you know about Amazon's and the video platforms terms and conditions, you are ready to rock and roll. This is the time you apply for Amazon affiliate program. And once they see that you are ready, they will approve you. But without all these preparations, you will not get approval. This is important. And finally, 4 ways to make money. Before that, you're going to get 4 different experiences. When you are talking about people's problem, they will watch your video. And because you're addressing their problems, they will love your content and they will buy from you and you will make money. Once you start making money, now you have money making experience and you are a successful affiliate marketer. This is the time you can teach others how to become an affiliate marketer. So here is the trick nobody tells. As you are creating your videos to promote Amazon product, create videos with Epic using image and text, using text to speech. You don't have to speak and you don't have to record yourselves, by the way. You know that, right? Epic is free, link is in the description. Make videos about your affiliate marketing experience and keep publishing them on YouTube and other social media platforms in a separate channel. That channel is affiliate marketing channel or make money online channel. There is a huge audience just like you and me. They want to learn from successful marketers how they are earning money and bundle those videos. Go to Udemy and publish affiliate marketing course. Look at these affiliate marketing courses. I'll give you an example. This affiliate marketing course was sold to 25,000 students at a price point of $15. Now let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, how much is 25,000 times $15?
25,000 times 15 US dollars is 375,000 US dollars.
375,000 US dollars. This is so cool. How was that possible? Because Udemy has 100 million customers of their own and 20% of these customers come from Google. These are serious customers. They are looking to build new skills and they know that they have to spend money in order to buy new courses and learn those skills. Go to the expand all sections and you will find all these are basically the same thing you are going to do as an affiliate market. Now, not only $14 or $15, you can sell your course as a membership program. Awesome. You can sell your course. Okay, experience number 3 is video creation experience. You know, people need guidance for making the right videos that actually make them money. You already have extensive practical experience on video creation and money making. You can guide these people the best, get them results and make massive income. And finally, yes, you are using your videos and you're going to dominate Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and other video channels. And as you keep blogging as well, I believe you will consider Maven, link is in the description. You will be writing posts on Facebook, Reddit, Quora, Pinterest, and get traffic from all these sources. And you are becoming an expert on social media as well. So you're getting 4 different experiences: money making, affiliate marketing, video creation and video marketing, and social media marketing. Now you can make money from writing your own book, selling your online course, running your own mastermind, running your membership site, and finally, this is a bonus, building an agency based on your experiences and offer services to other people and make a lot. All this starts from 1 minute long video about solving other people's problems, addressing their problems, offering solutions. And you can start by using Epic, image, photos, screenshot, and text. Epic is free, link is in the description. And did you like our video? If yes, hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers. We shared a lot of information in one video, so you can keep it as a bookmark, as a go-to content, and share with others so others can also learn and make money online just like us, just like you, and just like hundreds of thousands of other people. All you need to do is start today. Start with Epic, start with Maven, and start by liking our video and sharing our video. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next